What is God? Who is God? God, 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 in a very simple form, in a very simple way, in a very comprehensive way. What is God? God. Christians, God is an eternal, central energy origin and universal consciousness, manifesting in and through all existences and presences. Yeah. That's God. Maybe you could call it complex sentence, but comprehensively, that's God, according to me, the Nature Ambassador. That's my perspective about God. Because the issue of God could be likened unto the blind man and the elephant. You explained what you touch, how you feel over what you touch. So that's what I touch, and that's what I'm coming up with. Yeah. An eternal central energy origin and universal consciousness, manifesting in and through all existences, beings and presences.